Hey everyone, how we doing today? It's another great day. We're taking a look at an Oris watch. Now this is one of the Oris Aquis Dates, but this one's a little bit different. This is the smaller model, the 39mm or the 39.5mm if you want to be exact. And there's the warranty card, and let me get this watch out of here. Yep, there it is. Same thing as a bigger one, just the smaller millimeter. The original one's 43.5mm. This one's 39.5, and it's really stuck in there. So give me a sec, and there you go. Let me get the plastic off it so we could take a better look at this baby. All right, there you go. And you can see, even though it's only a couple millimeters difference, that it does look a lot smaller than the 43.5 millimeter Aquis Date. There you see the red rotor and the strap or bracelet. So the model we got here, again, is the smaller size, the 39.5, which is about 1.5 inches. This one's got the stainless steel bracelet, and we got the black dial on this guy. The bezel is a ceramic black bezel, and the crystal on this watch is a sapphire crystal. The back is actually a mineral crystal, not a sapphire crystal. Alright, so I'm going to pull out the 43.5 millimeter here, and here we can see them side by side. Both are black face with the black ceramic bezel. The only difference is I didn't have a bracelet to show you, but it's the same watch basically. So you get a good idea when you're thinking about buying an Oris Aquis. Do you go with the big one or small one? When the bigger one came out, there was a lot of people complaining that it was a little too big. So I think that's why Oris came out with the smaller size, so you can enjoy this classic dive watch in whatever size you prefer. And give me a second and we'll go take a look at the wrist shot. There you go, both watches. Looks like I should be wearing a trench coat selling watches here with all these watches on my wrist. But you can see the difference is pretty considerable, even though it only sounds like a couple millimeters. If you want the bigger look, I'd go with the bigger one. If you want more of an understated watch, I'd go with the 39.5 millimeter watch. Again, both are Aquis, both real handsome looking watches. Here, let's do this watch a little justice. Gave you a wrist shot with the watch by itself. So if you're like me and never wondered why Oris had two watches, basically identical, just slightly smaller than the other, you can see it does make a considerable amount of difference. I think if this 39.5 millimeter watch was any smaller, it definitely feels more like a lady's watch size. And here we can see it in the dark, the great lume. And thanks for taking the time to check out our video here. We appreciate it. Have a good one. Thank you.